What's the meaning of academic? Academic. 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 The word academic can be used as an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, it means relating to schools, colleges, and universities, or relating to studying and thinking rather than practical skills. As a noun, it means a teacher or researcher at a university. In general, the term academic refers to anything that is related to education or scholarship. It can also be used to describe someone who is very intelligent or knowledgeable. Here are some examples of how the word academic can be used in a sentence. I'm an academic, so I spend most of my time reading and writing. The academic requirements for this degree are very rigorous. The professor gave a very academic lecture on the history of the Civil War.